Vivo is expected to launch its X200 series in early October with 3 variants including the Vivo X200, X200 Pro and X200 Pro Plus. X200 will feature a flat 6.3-inch Super AMOLED 120Hz display with symmetrical bezels on all 4 sides. The panel also sports a punch hole cutout for the selfie cam and is also rumored to have an optical fingerprint scanner. The entire X200 series is expected to launch with upcoming MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset. X200 is rumored to bring a triple camera setup with 50 megapixel main camera using a custom Sony sensor and 50 megapixel periscope with 3x optical zoom and a 50 megapixel ultrawide lens. The upcoming device will get a larger battery than its previous model, rumored to be 5500 to 5600 mAh range, but it will come at the cost of low 90 watt charging instead of 120 watt on the X100. What are your thoughts about this? Tell me in the comments below, and now I will see you tomorrow. Bye.